Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the new Rustic Glam Eyeshadow palette by Dominique Cosmetics. This was released early this month, and if I'm correct, it was released on June 6th to be exact. It's available now at dominiquecosmetics.com and at Sephora online and in-store. The packaging of this palette is all cardboard. The unit carton is a pretty metallic blue sleeve with Dominique Cosmetics logo. Dominique says that this palette was inspired by tapestry and its bohemian glam. The palette has a magnetic closure and it includes a good quality mirror. Overall, the packaging feels really good quality and it does not feel cheap at all. The eyeshadows do have names and they are printed under each eyeshadow. This palette is a 12 eyeshadow pan palette that retails for $44. This palette is pretty big for just having 12 eyeshadows. The pans are actually much larger than a standard size pan, but still contain the same amount of product. I honestly thought I was getting more product because the big size pans. You're paying around $3.66 per eyeshadow, which is not bad. This is cruelty free and I'm not sure if it's vegan. I think this palette would be permanent. I didn't see anywhere where it stated it might be limited edition. Out of the 12 eyeshadows, 9 are mattes and 3 are shimmers. Out of the 9 mattes, 2 have micro glitters. Those shades are Dreamcatcher and Moonchild. The mattes in this palette feel very velvety and soft. When I tested the mattes, all were pretty pigmented. The shade Fresh Spirit was pigmented but swatch a bit chalky. When I tested them with the brush, they all blended out smoothly. The 2 shades with the micro glitter did seem to lose the glitter once I was blending. For the shimmers, Bohemian and Wanderlust were not as creamy as Gypsy. They felt pressed down a little bit more, so they didn't feel as creamy as Gypsy. They were pigmented, but for me, I had to layer them at least twice. The shade Gypsy was very creamy and pigmented. So overall, this palette does have a very pretty color story, and in my opinion, it can be an everyday palette. I didn't have major issues with the formula, so I definitely recommend it to those that like the color story or are curious to try this brand. So I really hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this palette. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.